Good day to our professor and fellow students. Today we would like to talk about total quality management, TQM, in relation to educational setting. Before we begin, I would like to introduce our group members. Our group consists of 4 members, which is me, Chun, Hui Yoong, and Joeseph Ho. Due to time constraint, we have divided ourselves into 2 groups to present our proposals.
First of all, what is total quality management, TQM? It's an effective and or emerging philosophy of management that is used as a strategy for business excellence that was originally developed for manufacturing sectors. It has received a wide acclaim as an effective approach for achieving quality and performance enhancements. TQM approach in education involves not only achieving high quality but also influencing all segments of the educational process. Organization, management, interpersonal relations, material, and human resources. Why do we conduct it in educational field? It's a great concern in many societies across the world, especially in such a competitive sector where academic success are highly regarded. Therefore, the study is to determine if this approach is suitable to be further implemented in Malaysian educational setting as it was originally introduced for manufacturing sector. Research objectives. The first, to investigate challenges, potential, and obstacles implementing TQM in educational settings. Second, to investigate methods and solving process for educational setting. Third, to study the overall improvement in performance of the educational system. There are 3 research questions. First, how effective is the implementation of TQM in educational sections? Second, what other actions should be taken to minimize the challenges during the implementation of TQM? Third, who is suitable to take up the role and responsibility to implement TQM in Malaysian educational sector?
Methodology, research design. It will be conducted through interview with 2 different sections, which is face-to-face interview and virtual online interview. Through observations, we also conducted it through 2 ways. Participants' observation indicates how the teachers implement the TQM into teaching to improve students' achievement, how the management implement TQM into educational system. Second, direct observation. It is the students' academic performances and how often the students involved with in-class participations. In regards to participants, we talk about educational sectors, where we recruit from educators, staff, administrators, and students itself. In regards of data analysis, we have 3 parts. First, demographic information, where we collect age, years of experience, whether the teachers are elementary educators, secondary educators, or etc. Second, content analysis. It talks about student, staff, and teachers' obstacles while implementing TQM in educational setting. Third, narrative analysis, which is students, staff, and teachers' experiences using TQM in education setting.
The past research of Martin and Parikh and Ayers supports that the use of TQM strengthens both the quality and quantity of the educational services provided by the school and teachers. However, it's important to investigate how applicable is the technique when it's implemented in the educational system in Malaysia. It's crucial to also highlight that all methods and techniques used will be restructured to accommodate the circumstances in the education system in Malaysia. Therefore, this study aims to further explore TQM in an educational setting from several perspectives, alongside identifying possible obstacles and solutions towards the obstacles. This is our presentation for the qualitative proposal. Thank you, everyone.